Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to do uncertainty propagation. First thing you need to ask yourself is what is propagation? Well, it's just pretty much a process of carrying uncertainty through the calculations to find new quantities. For example, if you make a measurement and the measurement that you made probably have some uncertainty and you want to use that value to calculate something else, then you have to pretty much carry the uncertainty throughout that process. So calculations involve probably adding or subtractions. You can multiply, divide, and or maybe raise the measurement to a certain power. So here are the rules. A summary of all the rules that you should remember. After this, we're going to practice a few problems so you kind of familiarize with the process here. So the easiest rule is the adding and subtraction. So if you have a measurement A and a measurement B and you add it together, what you need to do is you need to pretty much add the uncertainty measurement A and add the uncertainty measurement B in order to get the uncertainty of the new quantity. Okay, even if subtractions, you still have to add the uncertainty together. In the case in which you either A multiply by B and divide by C, or multiplication or divisions, what you need to do is you need to use fractional uncertainty. And in the previous video, I talked about fractional uncertainty, so if you're not sure, you can go back to the previous video to learn about it. So the fractional uncertainty of the measurement A, if you add that to fractional uncertainty of measurement B and plus fractional uncertainty of measurement C, that will give you the fractional uncertainty of the new quantity here. Okay. So the last rule got to do with raising to the power. If you have a measurement A and you raise to the power n, what you need to do is use this rule where it say that the fractional uncertainty of the new quantity is equal to n, which is that value right there. You bring it down and multiply by fractional uncertainty of A and take the absolute value of that. Okay, so this is a physics class, so we're pretty much using this rule, and if you're interested in the derivation of this, you can look up online, or maybe in your math class you probably we will see the derivation of all these rules. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the summary of the propagations. And then so the next video we're going to talk about in the next video we're going to go through some example of this process here. I see you in the next video.